Are you planning to having a baby? Be sure to watch this video where I'm going to be sharing with you 13 helpful things I wished I had when I had a baby. Hello, welcome back to Brainy Facts 101, where we deliver interesting, useful, and entertaining topics weekly for the curious minds. Being a new mom can be overwhelming, and there are so many things you need to prepare for before the arrival of your little one. I'm hoping that this video will be helpful for all the new parents out there who might be wondering what they should add to their baby registry or what they should purchase before their baby arrives, so you don't have to waste any money. Please note, any recommended products by us in this video is not sponsored.
Number 1. Nursing pillow. One of the things that I wished I had when I had my baby was a good nursing pillow. Breastfeeding can be tough, especially in the beginning, and a nursing pillow can provide much-needed support for both you and your baby. I found it so helpful in positioning my baby correctly and making sure they were comfortable during feeding sessions. Number 2. Diaper pail. Unless you want your house to smell like diapers, you might want to invest in a diaper pail, which is another thing that I wish I had when I had my baby, was a diaper pail. Trust me, you do not want to be running to the trash can every time you need to change a diaper. A diaper pail makes it so much easier to dispose of dirty diapers and helps to keep the nursery smelling fresh. Number 3. Baby carrier. A baby carrier is another item that I wished I had when I had my baby. It's so convenient to be able to have your hands free while keeping your baby close to you. I found that a baby carrier made it much easier to go for walks, get some things done around the house, or even go grocery shopping. Be sure to invest in a carrier that will support your back. Number 4. White noise machine and humidifier. One thing that I didn't think I needed but ended up being a lifesaver was a humidifier machine that comes with white noises, or baby music. Babies love white noise because it mimics the sounds they hear in the womb. A white noise machine can help soothe your baby and make it easier for them to fall asleep and stay asleep. A humidifier comes handy when your baby is unwell. The humidifier will help your baby's nasal congestions stay moist, thus having less sleep interruption throughout the night. Number 5. Baby monitor. A baby monitor is another essential item that I wished I had when I had my baby. It gave me peace of mind knowing that I could hear my baby if they woke up during the night or if they were napping in another room during the day. There are so many different types of baby monitors available, from audio only to video and even smart monitors that connect to your phone. I recommend to invest in a baby monitor that comes with room thermometer so you can ensure your baby is comfortable during a very hot or cold night. Number 6. Baby pram and push bike combo. If you have the budget, I would definitely recommend to invest in a sturdy baby pram and push bike combo. A pram that can be converted into a push bike as the baby grew older. It comes in handy when you are heading outside or to the shops. Number 7. Baby bib. There are so many different style bibs to choose from, but the specific ones I'm talking about is a waterproof light bib that will provide the most functional use on a daily basis. This is especially handy for those sensory babies and transitioning to toddlers who loves playing with their foods using their hands, who don't have to be wearing a heavy or hot bib around their neck. Since the bib is waterproof, it's perfect for the family travels. You don't have any downtime and need to be waiting for the bibs to dry before you can use them again. Simply clean and wipe them dry, and it's ready to go. Number 8. A recliner chair. A good recliner chair will come in handy for those everyday feeds or rocking your baby to sleep. The recliner chair is designed to provide a comfortable sitting experience. It allows you to lean back and relax, which can help relieve stress, reduce muscle tension, and promote overall relaxation. You will get a lot of use out of this one. Number 9. Quality automatic breast pump. If you planning to breastfeed, you might want to look into buying a good quality breast pump that actually works well to save you manually express your breast milk. A breast pump like the Luna from Motif Medical that works quietly during pumping is highly recommended by many parents. Number 10. Breast milk collector. This one is connected to the previous breast pump. If you are breastfeeding, you definitely want to buy a breast milk collector for those who have an oversupply breast milk production. Instead of wearing a breast pad during the day when you are around the house or working, you will wear these breast milk collectors inside your undergarments and collect your milk, thus no milk was wasted. Once the collector is full, you can pour them into a container for storage or let your little bubs drink them straight away. We recommend this Haka Ladybug Silicone Breast Milk Collector, which is 100% food-grade silicone, BPA, PVC, and phthalate-free. It will save you many precious liquid gold milk. Number 11. Portable Baby Seat. Another portable baby seat. Another item on the list to have is the portable booster seat. The seat comes in handy. It offers a safe, convenient, comfortable, versatile, and hygienic seating option for your child, making mealtime and playtime more enjoyable for both you and your little one.
Number 12. Folic acid, prenatal supplements, and probiotics. If I was planning for a baby, the first thing I would do is to take prenatal supplements that consists of folic acid, iron, calcium, vitamin D, DHA, and iodine. By taking these nutrients earlier prior to conception, will optimize the best fundamental role in your baby's growth and development during pregnancy. I would also take probiotics. Taking probiotics during pregnancy and breastfeeding has been said to link to benefits like fewer pregnancy complications, reduced risk of eczema in babies, and improved markers of metabolic health in expectant mothers. And lastly, number 13, an electronic nasal aspirator. When baby or toddler child is sick and unwell and suffers nasal congestions severely, you might want to invest in a good suction nasal aspirator to aid your little ones with better breathing. An electronic ones is a lot more efficient and gets the job done quickly and easily as compared to a manual nasal suction. So those are the 13 things that I wished I had when I had a baby. Of course, every parent's needs and preferences are different, so what works for me might not work for you. However, I hope that this video has given you some ideas on what you might need or want to add to your baby registry. If you have any other items that you found essential when you had your baby, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.